There is something special about the Isle of Man, the way the fresh air flows throughout our creations. Every stitch carries a little of the island with it. Expedition-grade knitwear has been made in Britain for generations, a craft that demands patience, precision and skill. Each Shackleton piece begins existence as the finest European spun yarns, soft to the touch, yet strong enough to endure a lifetime of wear. The Hero was inspired by the sweater worn by Sir Ernest Shackleton himself aboard the Endurance. Super G long lamb's wool, a basket weave design, crafted for resilience and a symbol of quiet strength. Made here on the Isle of Man, born from the spirit of adventure. And the Nimrod, rugged, dependable, timeless, named for the 1907 expedition that pushed the limits of what was thought possible. A blend of lamb's wool and cashmere for warmth, structure and the courage to face the cold. When you hold one of these knits, you're holding more than a sweater. You're holding a piece of British expedition heritage crafted with care, built to endure and inspired by those who dared to go further.